Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the virtual 2021 Light Metals Division Awards Ceremony and Special Lecture. I'm Eric Nyberg with Tungsten Parts, Wyoming, and Chair of the Light Metals Division. Thank you for joining us during this virtual LMD event. Since we are not able to present these awards in person this year, all awards will be mailed to each recipient after this week's conference. After presenting our awards, we will hear from our 2021 LMD Scholarship recipient, Zachary Wolf, and then listen to a wonderful talk from our esteemed speaker, Mark Easton. We have many colleagues to honor today, so let's get started. We begin our honors and awards presentation with the Young Leaders Professional Development Award. This award was created to enhance the professional development of dynamic young people from TMS's 5 technical divisions by helping them participate in society activities, make important contacts with TMS leaders, and network with prominent society members. Thanks to TMS Foundation for supporting and funding this award. These young professionals are given the opportunity to attend the division council meetings, technical committee meetings, and a TMS board of directors meeting. This year's honorees are Richard Otis with the NASA Jet Propulsion Laboratory and Kelvin Sheedy with Texas A&M. Congratulations, Richard and Kelvin. The next award presentation is for the Light Metals Award. This award recognizes the individual excellence of a paper published in the 2019 Light Metals proceedings. The paper must have been presented during the annual meeting in the same year that it was published. This paper received the highest rating of all the Light Metals subject award papers. This year's recipients are Adriano Lucetta, Roseanne Barada Olanda, Patricia Magalhães Pereira Silva, and Andre Luis Vilacha do Carmo, all with Sinai Innovation Institute for Mineral Technologies, and Rafael Vera de Costa, Chao Cesar Amorim de Mello, and Marcelo Montini with Norsk Hydro Brazil. Their award-winning paper is The Bayer Process Towards the Circular Economy, Soil Conditioners from Bauxite Residue, published in Light Metals 2020. Congratulations to these distinguished authors. These next individuals are the recipients of the JOM Best Paper Award. This award was established in 1994 and is presented to the author or authors of a paper published in an issue of the preceding year's volume of JOM under a light metals related topic. I'm pleased to announce this year's recipients are all from the Warwick Manufacturing Group, the University of Warwick, and they are James Matthew, Guillaume Remy, Mark A. Williams, Fengzai Tang, and Prakash Srirangam. Their award-winning paper is entitled The Effect of Iron Intermetallics on Microstructure and Properties of Aluminum 7 Silicon Alloys, published in the December 2019 issue of JOM. Congratulations to all these distinguished authors. Next, we have the Light Metals Subject Awards for Best Papers. Thank you to these award recipients for their diligent work in their various subject areas of light metals. We would like to recognize the recipients of this year's Light Metals Division Aluminum Reduction Technology Best Paper Award. This award recognizes an individual or group of individuals for the excellence of a paper within the subject area of aluminum reduction. The paper must have been presented at last year's Light Metals Division sponsored session during the TMS annual meeting. This year's recipients are David Ljambe and Jason Tessier with Alcoa, and Eric Poulin and Carl Duchesne with Laval University. The title of their paper is Anodic Incident Detection Through Multivariate Monitoring of Individual Anode Current Signals, published in Light Metals 2020. Congratulations to these distinguished authors. We'd like to now recognize the award recipients of the Light Metals Division Electrode Technology for Aluminum Production Best Paper. This award recognizes an individual or group of individuals for excellence of a paper within the subject area of electrode technology for aluminum production. The paper must have been presented at the preceding year's Light Metals Division sponsored session during the TMS annual meeting. This year's recipients are Les Edwards and Maya Hunt with Rain Carbon, and Christopher Kunt with Rain Carbon Germany. The title of their paper is Anhydrous Carbon Pellets, an Engineered CPC Raw Material, published in Light Metals 2020. Congratulations to these distinguished authors. Next, we have the Light Metals Division Warren Peterson Cast Shop for Aluminum Production Best Paper Award. This award recognizes an individual or group of individuals for excellence of a paper within the subject area of cast shop for aluminum production. The paper must have been presented at last year's Light Metals Division sponsored session during the TMS annual meeting. I'm pleased to present this year's awards to Catherine Kung-Wan Solem, Kai Erik Ekstrom, Gabriella Chanel, and Ragnhild Aun, all with Norwegian University of Science and Technology. The title of their paper is The Evaluation of the Effect of CO2 Cover Gas on the Rate of Oxidation of an Aluminum Magnesium Silicon Alloy, published in Light Metals 2020. Congratulations to these distinguished authors. Our next award is the Light Metals Division Aluminum Alloys Best Paper Award. This award recognizes an individual or group of individuals for excellence of a paper within the subject area of aluminum alloys. The paper must have been presented at last year's Light Metals Division sponsored session during the TMS annual meeting. The honorees are Shipeng Xu, David Seidman, and David Dunan with Northwestern University, and Anthony DeLuca with EMPA Swiss Federal Laboratories for Material Science and Technology. The title of their paper is Effects of Magnesium and Molybdenum Microadditions on Aluminum, Zirconium, Scandium, Erbium, Silicon Mechanical Properties, published in Light Metals 2020. Congratulations to these distinguished authors. The next award to be presented is the LMD EPD Energy Best Paper Award for a professional. There are 2 papers for this award this year. This award recognizes the individual excellence of a paper authored by professionals, exemplifying the application of science in solving a practical problem, and therefore must be technological in nature and present new and significant information related to an energy topic. This year's recipients of the first Best Paper Award are Chao Lv, Ting An Zhang, Zihe Dou, and Shi Yuao Zhao, all from Northeastern University in China. The title of the paper is Simulation of Process and Reactor Structure Optimization for Cerium Oxide Preparation from Jet Flow Pyrolysis, published in the May 2019 issue of JOM. The second paper to win this award this year was written by Xiaoxiao Zheng and Hao Wang with the University of Science and Technology, Beijing. Asad Ullah with Karakoram International University, Gilgit. Waihuo Shui with Liaoning Technical University. Song Xiang with Guizhou University, and Li Ming with Central Iron and Steel Research Institute, and Guang Ma with the Global Energy Interconnection Research Institute Company. The title of their paper is Prediction of Continuous Cooling Transformation Diagrams for Nickel Chromium Molybdenum Welding Steels via Machine Learning Approaches, published in the February 2020 issue of JOM. Congratulations to all of these exceptional authors. Next is the award for the LMD EPD Energy Student Best Paper Award. This award recognizes the individual excellence of a paper authored by a student at the time of writing, exemplifying the application of science in solving a practical problem, and therefore must be technological in nature and present new and significant information related to an energy topic. There are 2 best papers in this award also. The honorees for the first Best Paper Award are Joseph Luttrell with Electric Boat, and Donna Post-Guillen and Michael McKellar with Idaho National Laboratory. The title of their paper is Investigation of Performance Enhancements for Air Brayton ORC Combined Cycles for Small 2 megawatt power systems and a moderate heat source temperature. This was published in May 2019 issue of JOM. The second Student Best Paper Award is presented to Bing Li, Vikas Tomar, and Vilas Pol with Purdue University, Thomas Adams with the Naval Surface Warfare Center, and Corey Love with the U.S. Naval Research Laboratory. The title of their paper is Integrated Sensor Network and Battery Management System for State of Health Estimation and Safety Control of Lithium-ion Batteries. Congratulations to all these Best Paper Award recipients. The LMD Distinguished Service Award recognizes individuals whose continuous service to the TMS Light Metals Division activities has facilitated the Society's ability to service its light metals-oriented members and their supporting organization. I'm pleased to announce that this year's recipient is Alan Lowe with The Ohio State University. His citation reads, for outstanding contributions to the light metals industry and sustained services to LMD and TMS. Congratulations, Alan. Norbert Hort with Helmholtz Zentrum Giestock is the recipient of this year's Light Metals Technology Award. This award recognizes an individual who has demonstrated outstanding long-term service to the light metals industry by consistently providing technical and/or operating knowledge that has enhanced the competitiveness of the industry. His citation reads, for outstanding contribution to research and development in the area of magnesium technology. Congratulations, Norbert. At this time, we'll recognize this year's recipients of the Light Metals Division Magnesium Technology Awards. First, we will present the award for the Light Metals Best Paper in Magnesium Technology Application category. This award recognizes individual excellence of a paper in the area of magnesium application. The recipients of this award are Garrett Kurtz, Maria Nienhaber, and Jan Bolin. Also Dietmar Letzig and Karl Ulrich Keiner, all with Helmholtz Zentrum Giestock. The title of their paper is Variation of Extrusion Process Parameters for the Magnesium Alloy Me21, published in Magnesium Technology 2020. Congratulations to these distinguished authors. Next, we will present the award for Light Metals Best Paper in Magnesium Technology Fundamental Research category. This award recognizes individuals' excellence of a paper in the area of fundamental magnesium research. The recipients of this award are Taylor Kane and Joseph P. Labucas with the U.S. Army Research Lab. The title of their paper is Development of Ultra-Lightweight Corrosion-Resistant Magnesium Alloys, published in Magnesium Technology 2020. Congratulations to these exceptional authors. Up next, we have the Light Metals Magnesium Technology Student Paper Award. This award recognizes the best student paper presentation during the Magnesium Symposium held at the previous year's TMS annual meeting. The award honors an outstanding technical presentation made in the field of magnesium technology. The student author, Manin Kim, receives a $500 cash honorarium to support his continuing education in the light metals field. The authors of the award-winning paper are Manin Kim, Yahia Ali, Stuart McDonald, and Kazuhiro Nogita with the University of Queensland, and Trevor Abbott with RMIT University. The title of their paper is The Independent Effects of Cooling Rate and Sodium Addition on Hydrogen Storage Properties in Hypoeutectic Magnesium Alloys, published in Magnesium Technology 2020. Congratulations to Manin and these distinguished authors. Last, we have the Light Metals Magnesium Technology Best Poster Award. This award recognizes the excellence of a poster presented in the area of magnesium at the preceding year's TMS annual meeting. This year's honorees are Claire Weaver, Shou Zi Chu, and Irene Byerlin with the University of California, Santa Barbara, Abigail Hunter with Los Alamos National Laboratory, and Anil Kumar with Eris Data. The title of their poster is Quantifying Dislocation Behavior in Magnesium Using Phase Field Dislocation Dynamics Model Multiple Active Slip Planes. Congratulations and thank you to these award recipients for their diligent work in the field of magnesium. Before introducing today's speaker, I'd like to recognize two very important groups of people. First, the 2021 Light Metals Program Subject Chairs and Session Chairs. If you have taken on either of these volunteer roles during this meeting, thank you very much for your time and your expertise. The second group of people is the Light Metals Division Council members, along with the Technical Committee Chairs and Vice Chairs. If you are on the 2020 Council or will be part of the incoming 2021 Council, thank you for your dedication to LMD's programming activities. These are the people that perform the hard work to make Light Metals events and technical sessions possible. Thank you. If you'd like more information on how to self-nominate or nominate someone for a 2022 award, please visit the TMS website under the Professional Development and Honors and Awards headings. Many award deadline submissions are April 1st, which is coming up soon. The Light Metals Division awards one scholarship annually to an undergraduate metallurgical or material science and engineering student. Funding of this scholarship is provided through the TMS Foundation. A recipient is chosen by a specially appointed selection committee from the Light Metals Division Council. The scholar receives a scholarship check in the amount of $2,500. Thanks to the generous support of Battelle and Jeffrey Wadsworth, Battelle is matching undergraduate student scholarships awarded by the 5 TMS technical divisions, dollar for dollar. The LMD scholar is asked to present a brief talk concerning their work. Our 2021 Light Metals scholar is Zachary Wolf, studying at the University of Nevada, Reno. Zachary, please come to the podium. I hope everyone enjoyed the presentation from our LMD scholar. Thank you, Zachary, for this very informative talk. We are now honored to have Mark Easton as this year's awards ceremony speaker. Professor Easton is currently the Associate Dean of Manufacturing, Materials, and Mechatronics at the RMIT University, where he has been since 2014. Prior to this, he was at Monash University, where he primarily worked with the CAST Cooperative Research Center and was its final CEO. Mark's PhD is from the University of Queensland, and he has also had stints at Comalco, which is now Rio Tinto Aluminium Research Center, and at LKR in Austria. He is the winner of a number of awards, including the Henry Marion Howe Award and the GKSS Magnesium Award. While at the CAST CRC, he received 5 commercialization awards for his role in the commercialization of technologies. He has over 20 years of experience in solidification processing of light metals, and initially focusing on casting, but has been more recently joining the additive manufacturing bandwagon. Please join me in welcoming Mark. His talk is entitled Near Net Manufacturing of Light Metal Alloys. I encourage you to utilize the chat feature during the presentation if you have any questions. Before I turn it over to Mark, I want to remind you that since this event has been pre-recorded, it will be available to view on the virtual conference site until May 31st, and then will be added to the TMS YouTube channel after that. We hope to see you next year in person for TMS 22 in Anaheim, California. Thank you.